What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2020 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to show you guys how to take off this rear tail light here. Very simple. This is the LED light, but it still got some bulbs in it, like a reverse bulb. I'm not sure. We're going to take a look. Most of it is LED and we're just going to come right here. So what you need to do is you need to grab this little guy right here. You want to put your hand right here. You want to just simply pull on this slowly and gently, and all it has is 3 little clips that you don't want to break. You're gonna have a whole bunch of dirt and debris in there. You should get in there, clean it anyway seasonally. You want to open this guy up. You want it 2 10mm, and remove both of these 10mm, not the bottom one here, so the top 2 right here. And after that, it's gonna be a little bit tricky here, guys. So this light either gonna come forward or out, but usually since this light is going in, usually it's gotta come out this way. So you simply just grab it. A lot of times you just pull on it and it will come right off. So I'm going to show you the mechanism back here. So let's bring our camera a little bit closer. I'm going to just let it hang with that light there. So what we got here is you got this little hook that goes in here, then you got this little guy that goes in there. So that's all there is, and you do have a few bulbs in here. Okay, so let's take a look at the bulbs. So we got a bulb here. While this connector here, okay, we only got 1 bulb. These are LEDs, so you don't want to mess with this. If you do need to get in here, you can open these, and there might be like some type of bulbs in here, but you need a special torque there and a special torque there. Anyways, this is your what is this? Your reverse bulb, and it's an orange color bulb. Usually you don't want to touch it with your you swipe it down. So this bulb it comes right off. Get the correct bulb, and you put the new bulb. It's a single flare bulb, single filament bulb, and you want to clean this up and you want to put this back in, and all you do is twist it back on and it should clip right in. Okay, I'm doing the wrong way now, it's clockwise. So anyways, we're gonna bring the camera back a bit, and what we're gonna do is you want to take this, you want to line this here, and then everything should just go smooth. And let me just clean some of this off. And once you line that, okay, it should just snap right in. Okay, the light should be nice and smooth. What we're gonna do now is very simple and easy. You want to take your 2 10mm. Okay, this is not aligned properly. I don't know what happened there. Okay, there you go. Now it's aligned. There you go. It snapped right in. Don't hesitate to tap it a bit, but you don't want to crack the light either. You don't want to break the light. Anyways, take it easy. I'm gonna just go around this just to make sure everything is good. Perfect. And all I'm gonna do here is take my 10mm. Remember, it goes into a plastic. You don't want to go crazy. And that's it. You take your lid here. What you want to do is just line the 3 holes with 3 clips, and this baby snacks right in, and bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.